The BBC is the voice. He's the voice. He's the voice. He's the voice. So the voiceless. Oromo people in Ethiopia. The BBC. The BBC. Be the voice. Be the voice. Be the voice. Be the voice. So the voiceless. Oromo people in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia. The Ethiopian regime is a killer. The Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer. The Ethiopian government is a killer. It is a genocider. It is a genocider. The Ethiopian government is killing lactating mothers. Lactating mothers. The BBC. Be the voice. For the voiceless. For the voiceless of all people in Ethiopia. The BBC. The BBC. Be the voice. Be the voice. For the voiceless of all people in Ethiopia.
Ethiopian government is the killer. Ya to kompetamos. Ustaba.
Wani kamana rajifan karata na bana asirra eegale jidduu kana bakka jamaa jirurra haga asitti gara duubaa adeemna. Fuulli keenya garas ilaaluu qaba. Bakki kun banaa ta'u waan nuti goonu immoo kun akka argamu jechuudha. Let everyone come inside. Let's open this. Mask it go.
Eider. Eider. حاجة
Ya sani na masa ne ke ubin ina ya era ko